Welcome back. If you're one of our returning viewers, I'm gonna eat you from the back. That's that man Gino. He's gonna put his Instagram, YouTube up here. I'm Jesus. This is E.G.O.
We had a car meet, baby. We had a little cars, I guess.
Car culture.
Car culture, little.
Early morning.
Cars and coffee style thing. Chef David got a Starbucks. You already know what it is. He drank his. I don't know what he doing, bro.
It's gone. It's gone.
He had that shit for like 10 seconds.
Stingray right there. Coyote. 2 Supras. It's looking like a good day. We gotta show y'all the lineup when we get there, but until then,
Massive flames, bro. Sleeper for real. Look at those tires. Oh yeah.
right next to the FRS with Hailden.
What do you think, bro? You think I can do it?
Yeah.
Think I can do it within the next year?
More than likely. We're doing too good. We're doing too good.
Damn, bro.
So
I feel like I'm in debt just being here, bro. Look at all this. Look at all this. Like, man, when I tell y'all the only AMG I'd get is this one. I feel like make my way over here now. Damn, Hondas are out today. God damn, bro. S2K is clean, bro. Fuck that little bitch. Damn, bro. Like, this is clean. Fucking Type R. This old lady's like, what is this? Let me take a picture. This is fucking clean, bro. Gutted, bro. Full race car for real. Look at this Z, bro. Mickey, bro. That's crazy. Ah, it's a 2J, bro. Damn. Oh, that's wild, bro. God damn. I ain't seen a rep this clean in a minute, bro. We got this one right here. That's cool too, but I like this one. This one's the best. I need me a Shelby in my life, bro. No matter what year, bro. I need one. That's crazy. Big money. It's cool too. And that's pretty sick, I ain't gonna lie. Oh shit. It did make it. I like this.
V10. Huracan Evo.
I like this. Yeah, this is clean, bro. Choosing this one
to be 10.
You choosing this one over the other one?
Yeah, V10.
Definitely. I like the wheels. Is it manual?
Yeah, no, automated manual. So you can still shift up and down, but I mean,
yeah,
it's not as good as the gated.
Damn, the forged carbon is crazy, bro. How you like this so far, bro? What you think?
Oh, it's hot.
Dang. No teeth stay on, but I don't think I could do that, bro. That's too damn much, bro. God damn.
Yeah, I don't think I can do it.
And it's aired out too.
Couldn't take the bait. Man, that fool shit sounded good.
DT4. Oh, DT4. Oh, DT4.
You hear that? Where are they exiting from?
What's that mean? That's too much. What's my head drive? I like it.
People love it. Mustang. You got the pepper model, you got the R8. Oh shit, McLaren right here. Come on, take off. I'm trying to run everybody. Alright.
Best Buy. Just got done with the meet. It was kind of. Then my list chapped as fuck. Goddamn.
It was cool. It was
cool.
just no good takeoff videos. Or at least not at
this location. Like the last time I came to this location, it was. Is she picking at her gooch? That's disgusting. I told it threw me off guard. Yeah, we had Best Buy. The meet was cool. There were just like no room for nothing. Like the cops ruined the fun. In Pearland, they don't really do that shit. They don't give a fuck. They just like sit there.
The cops were watching every exit.
And it was like just nothing to do, but yeah, we just about to go in the Best Buy, look at some cameras. You know what I'm saying?
Some better equipment.
Better equipment, so the next video would definitely be using the actual camera. Yeah, man, we finna go in the Best Buy, see what we do. Let's see, beautiful face, dog. Ah! You thought I was gonna end it, huh?
Yeah.
Goofy ass motherfucker. Walking in the Best Buy. Walking in the Best Buy. Walking in the Best Buy.
Alright, this one was kind of iffy on the equipment, so we're about to head to another one, and we'll just see y'all in there. Anything to say?
Yeah, this Best Buy sucks ass. It literally sucks mega fucking cock and balls, bro. Like, nothing. Nothing.
Yeah, they were out of stock on a lot of stuff, so we're going to check out another one, get some ideas, and then we'll be back. I don't know. Somebody help me. We forgot to make an ending for the last video, so this is about to continue on to our next video that's going to be uploaded not that long after.
Sometime next week.
Sometime. So we're going to be heading out, and we'll see you in the next one.
Adios. 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 Adios.